Well, hello YouTube. It's been a while. I know. That's not COVID. I'm just clearing my voice. But I haven't been posting because it's damn COVID. We have to stay inside. But I got a text back from the track guy. He told me it's good to go. So I'm here with the 2-stroke. But I ain't got nobody to film me. And I didn't grab my phone mount. So I can't record by myself, or else I would. But today I think I'm gonna go fishing, and if I do get any clips of me here at the track, I'll throw those in before I go fishing. But I think I'm gonna go fishing with my buddy, and then I'm gonna see if he wants to be on my YouTube video, and if he does, I'm gonna ask him if we can have a challenge of who catches the first fish, the biggest fish, and the longest fish, or the heaviest. Something like that. We'll figure it out. But I'll see you guys around. Sorry about the wind. So, I ended up not going fishing at all. I ended up coming to a farm and doing a fuel pump on an old grain truck. And now, I'm getting a battery off an old John Deere to try to start it now. So, I'll let you guys know if it starts up. Battery.
What's this?
Get a shit. I almost out of brake fluid. That didn't sound good.
Gas line looks like it's hooked up.
Yeah, it's all hooked up. He just doesn't want to stay.
Oh, stop.
What?
Take that off. Underneath that big giant bolt, there's a filter. Take the filter off.
What
Probably
filter?
dirty and plugged.
What big bolt?
These old motors got a filter on them.
Okay. Yeah, just keep going.
Let me turn this thing right on.
Yeah, I said
Move this. Under there, there's a filter in here.
in here.
Clean that filter. There's a filter in there.
All burnt.
Is it?
Yeah, it just hurts. Like it's not like.
There's a filter inside here.
Okay, hang on. Let me see.
It's a gas filter. Has to be.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's probably full of dirt and muck.
Holy fuck, that's not gonna work.
That has to be. It has to be that filter. Probably hasn't been changed in 20 years.
Probably not.
It's probably all fucking corroded and broken down. Not the little bolt, the big one.
The big one?
Yeah, the big one.
The big one I don't have a wrench for. I need a bigger wrench.
Yeah, it's behind there.
518, so probably 718.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start recording.
Oh, it doesn't help with all the dogs around me, Carl. You gotta take the dogs away. Not trying to be an asshole.
Why is it only working in third or second?
Jesus! Holy fuck! I don't know what to tell you, boys. We kind of got it. It's the fuel pump.
You think so?
I have to tap it to get it going.
Yeah, I think it's the clutch.
That's not even. The brake on or something?
What's that sound?
That's the clutch. That's the transmission trying to catch gears. gonna turn this bitch around here. Oh, we're here to deliver your grain.
What do you want to do?
You smell that?
Yeah, it smells like something's burning.
The clutch?
Tony's like, what the fuck are you doing?
Is anything leaking? Check it.
What's that sound?
Rev limiter.
Rev limiter.
Watch out, guys! Here it comes! See it? Oh yeah, see it? Put it in the aisle there.
Oh yeah.
These arms do downshift with no brakes. See how you can do that tail?
Bad spot to stop on the quads, guys. There you go. Yeah.
No hole?
There goes the reach out. We don't need a quad.
Tony's probably watching. Look how that's going. Any now I need a truck like this.
That's just thick layers of dust.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's so
Hey,
thick.
that's the killer there. Just a second. I guess I should stay in second.
Yeah.
I'll go to the next billboard.
Yeah, just turn up there.
Someone's on the ground.
Go right past him. Beep beep.
There, baby. See you later, Tony.
Got ourselves a new truck.
Thanks for the dump truck.
Let's go trade it for that bike. It's a square ball.
Yeah, it's so.
That would be cool.
I'm doing 45.
Is that miles per hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah, because I just did it.
Yeah, it does put it in neutral. That's cool. So when you come to a stop, you don't have to put it in first.
No? Gonna stay in second. Put the tires that time. Now, gonna stop.
Whoa, we're smoking.
We're smoking.
Are we?
Yeah.
Jump out, Thomas. Go see if that's a fire. Yeah, let it cool off for a little bit.
That's the transmission, isn't it?
I don't know what that is.
Can't even see.
Sorry, Thomas.
It's just, yeah, the headers on the transmission, all the dust, oil and shit.
Oh yeah.
It's getting hot.
Here, that's where it's coming from.
Yeah, transmission. Might need oil. Got hot fast. What's the heat gauge on this damn thing? Ooh! Fuck, so much in my face. Come on, Nala. Nala, come on.
I'm back into there.